Not that one. Bedrooms are too small. Man, that backyard would not work. That one's a little bit expensive. Oh wait, this one's cute. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom Southeast Side gem is centrally located, minutes from Alger Heights, 28th Street, and Easttown. This home features 2 fully updated bathrooms, along with an entire kitchenette in the basement. It also comes with an amazing backyard for all of your hosting and entertaining needs. So if you're looking for your next future home, why not come check it out?